Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check Reddit search history, and all we have to do is to launch our Reddit application if we do have that application, or we can decide to go to our web browser and search for reddit.com and we'll be directed here. So first of all, we are going to tap in the search, and in the case that we would like to delete some of the searches then you're just going to press on this X icon, and as you can see, I have already deleted that search. You can tap again, and as you can see, it has been deleted. In the case that we would like to delete almost all our histories, all we have to do is to tap on our profile here at the top, then tap on history. From there, all we have to do is to tap on these three dots, and you can either decide to save the post or hide the post, or even decide to block the post. But since we want to delete, you can just tap on these three dots, and we're going to tap on clear history, and all our history will be cleared. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.